Let me give you one simple example. Okay. So one more insight we need to discuss here in the interface. So let's suppose here I'm taking one example, guys. Okay. So now interface interf I'm taking. Fine. So here what I'm taking in text. Okay. This time taking what, guys? In text. Okay. So now, so here I'm taking what? Class A implements what? Interrupt.
Implement the interrupt.
Fine. Implements what, guys? Interrupt. Okay. So now here I'm trying to access system.out.println of X. Understand?
Yes.
System.out.println of X. Okay. Right? So I think definitely here PSVM will be here. PSVM, public static environment. Okay. String args. So in this system.out.println of X. Fine. Okay. So now, so do you see any issue here? Is it valid?
Yeah, valid.
Huh?
Valid, sir.
Valid. Okay. So now, where is our Eclipse ID? Right. So now, okay, I'm creating different package, guys. Let me create different package. Okay. So now here I'm creating new package. So here com dot tech dot station dot practice. Okay. Fine. So now here I'm creating what? One interface. There is interface, right? So now interface name is
Interrupt.
interfa. Okay, let me give the same interf. Okay, interface name itself interf, guys. Fine. Right. Here, what I have?
Index equal to
Index. That's it.
exit.
Fine. See, it is saying here itself. It is saying. So that's why I think if you see, if you practice in Eclipse IDE, we cannot say exact what you call compile time errors. Okay, manual approach only we will see. Okay, fine. So now, okay, let me keep here like this. So now I'm creating one Java class, new class. So what is the class name?
Class.
Keep child. Okay, class name is child, guys. Fine. So now public static void main method also I need finish. Okay. So here what? Implements
Interrupt.
implements, right? interf, right? So here what I'm trying to say, sysout,
X.
right? Sysout x. Okay, sysout x. See now itself it is saying, right? Interface. So here what it is saying, the blank final field x may not have been initialized. Okay. So now let me close this one. Directly we will do in manual approach, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Let me save. Fine. Oh, I think I did not copy. Yeah. Again, we need to write a. Fine. So now language Java. Right? So now let me take interface interf, right? Interface interf. Here what I am taking index. Fine.
Yes.
So now here I'm creating what? This is one interface. Right. Here I'm creating what? Class child. Okay. Implements what?
Interrupt.
Implements interf. Interf. Fine. So now here I'm taking one public static void main string args. Fine, string args. So now here what I'm trying to access? System.out.println, right?
Yes.
System.out.println of x. Fine. Now let me save this one underscore Java C, right? The training polymorphism. Let me create one folder here. What is guys? Interface, right? Interface. INTER. Right. Now here let me save this one as
Interface variables. Interface variables.
Yeah. So let me save this one. Interface where, okay? Interface variables. Fine. Interface variables. So now I'm going here. PC C training interface, right? Yeah. So now Java C file name.java. What is the file name? Interface variables, right? Interface variables.java. See what it is saying?
Initialization is expected.
Index is equal to is expected. See, immediately it is saying index. After index, equal to is expected. Understand?
Yes.
So here it is saying after x, okay, equal to is expected. Equal to is expected. So here, okay, so no. So the variables which we declare in interface, okay. So when we declare an interface variables, okay. So at the time of declaration only, we have to assign what? We have to assign what, guys?
Value.
Values.
Okay, because these are what
That is
constants.
constant.
We cannot change these values, right?
Yes.
At the time of
Yes.
declaration only, we have to assign the what, guys? Values. For the interface variables, compulsory we should perform initialization at the time of declaration only. Otherwise, we will get what? Compile time error is equal to expected. Clear? Everyone?
Yeah, clear. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, where is our right? Yeah, I think already we have written here. Fine. So now here, what is the compile time error? We will get what? Compile time error, right?
Expected.
So is equal to expected. Fine. So now here, compile time error we will get. Right. What is the compile time error? Is equal is expected. Okay. So here you need to remember what is the point, guys. For the interface variables, at the time of declaration, we should provide what?
Value.
We should provide initialization. Okay. Compulsory we should perform initialization.
Initialization.
We should perform initialization. Okay. So otherwise we will get what? Compile time error. Above compile time error. Fine. Okay. So we can access these interface variables inside implementation class. Okay. So now I'm giving one more example here. Fine, guys. So now if you see here, okay. Now I'm providing int x is equal to 111. Some value I'm giving. Okay. So now here what I'm doing. So here in child class, automatically the variables will be available, right? Here I'm providing what? 222. Understand? Now system.out.println of x.
Compile time error.
Tell me.
Compile time error.
Compile time error. What is the compile time error?
X is already.
We cannot assign.
We can
Any
modify the
value
X
for the-
value.
We cannot modify the final variables.
We cannot modify the final variable. Understand? Here what we
Yes.
are doing? We are trying to assign the values to this what? Final variable. So here that's what. Here most of the people what they are thinking, right? Int x. This is not a constant. Like that people will think. Understand? But by default, if you declare any variable interface, what is the by default access modifier? Public static
static
final.
Public static final.
Understand? So that's what for the final variable we cannot modify the value. If you try to execute this program, we will get what? Compile time error. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let me execute here. So Java C interrupt demo. See what is the compile time error we are getting? Cannot assign a value to final variable x. Right. So so what is the by default access modifier then? Public static final. Okay. For all the variables which are declared in interface, whether you are declared or not. So practically we proved, right?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So the x is what, guys? Final. But here we did not declare any final. So who will place this final access modifier? Compiler will place.
Compiler.
Okay. Fine, guys. Now here I'm taking int x is equal to 222. Now tell me.
It will take it as a local variable. X.
Huh?
No error.
Huh?
It will take that local.
What is the output?
X as a
222.
2, sir.
222. Right?
Yes.
Again, compile time error. Okay.
After that, what, guys? We did not execute, right? Java. What is the main method and the class name here? Child.
Child there.
Child.
Java child. See what is the output here? 222. Understand?
Yes.
Why?
Yes,
So this syntax and this syntax is completely different. So this syntax is what, guys? Local variable. Understand?
Yes.
So this is what?
Yes,
Local variable. Where we declared inside the method. Inside the method means what? It will become local variable. Remember the local variable concept.
Yes.
Okay. Hope you people clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, fine, guys. So now let me copy this example and we'll place here. Which one? Here. Let me remove this syntax. Here we will get what? Compile time error. Fine. So let me add here. Okay. What is the output, guys? Compile time error. Okay. We cannot assign value to final
variables.
Final
variable x. Fine. Right, guys. So now, okay. So in variables concept also completed.